have 7 traps tied to shore right now. I will measure them and band them. Oh, you can see it's a good market size. Move down the line. Traps in a row. It's a strain on the arms. My friend heading out in the canoe right now to go check his gear actually. Throughout the whole stretch of land there's quite a few more of us. This girl goes right back. There was DFO boats parked out in the buoys just out of reach of my traps, and they were watching us, waiting for me to pull them in. Anything beyond the beach is open game for them. They can pull it in and confiscate it. This guy is way too small. That guy will be bait.